Hey, what's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Abhi and I'm back with a new video. Today we are going to discuss on how you can download and install Git in your Windows operating system. So for the people who don't know what is Git, Git is a version controlling system that is used to store the code that is present in your local system in a cloud-based repository. So without any further delay, let's hop into the screen. So go to your favorite browser and search for git bash. You can see the first link. Just click on that link. I'll provide the links in the description below so that you can directly go and come to this official website. So you can see different operating system that we can download it for, like Mac OS, Windows and Linux. So as I'm using Windows, let me go with the Windows option. So you can see that download for Windows is available. Just click here to download the latest version. By the time you see this video, maybe the latest version might be changing, but don't worry, you can go with that latest version also. Just click on that. It will ask for the location, click on save. Yeah, once the download is completed, just click on the exe file. It will prompt for the administrative access, so click on yes. Now the Git setup is started. You can just read the license if you want, click on next. It will ask for the path that you want to store it, and also make sure you at least have 320 MB of free disk space before you go with the installation. So click on next. So you can see already there are a few options that are checked for you. I believe that these options are more than enough. If you still want any more extra things to be added, you can go ahead with it, but these default checkboxes are good enough to continue. So click on next. So it is asking for us to create a shortcut, so let me click on next. Here it is asking us to choose between different default editors that are used by Git. Let it be with the default editor and just click on next. Now here it is asking that if you want to defaultly name your default branch as master, or you can also name it based on different repositories. So let it be as it is. Just click on next. So now here it is asking that do you want to use Git only from your Git bash, or you want to use it also from a third party software, or also you can use it from Unix tools from the command prompt. For me it is showing the second option as default, but I'll just go with the first option now and click on next. Let it be the default one. Click on next. So here I want to use the OpenSSL library, so I'll just click on next. So if a project or your organization is having any dependencies on using only LF or CRLF options, then based on that you can select appropriate thing that suits your project. So for me the first option is fine, so let me click on next. Just click on next. So in this screen it is asking us to see if you want to change the behavior of your Git pull. There are three options. The first one is fast forward and merge it, second option is rebase, and third option is the default standard that is actually the purpose of Git pull. So let me keep the third option and click on next. So I want to use the GitHub credential manager to secure my GitHub repositories and Git code. If you don't want any credential helper, you can just click on none and proceed. So let me click on next. Now it is asking for some extra features like enable file system caching, so enable symbolic links. So let it be as it is. Let me click on next. So these are the experimental features that Git is trying to install in our system. So I don't want to experiment anything from my side now. If you want to have some hands-on test some beta features of this application, you can check on those two checkboxes and click on install. For now I don't want to test the beta features. I am good with the stable version. So let me finally click on install. So the installation is completed. If you want to view the release notes, or you can launch the Git bash from here. So let me launch it from here. Click on finish. So these are the release notes. If you want, you can go through the release notes and get what are the new features or the latest features that are available for this latest Git version. So let me close it for now and let me go with the Git terminal. So this is the Git terminal. So you can use all the Linux commands from here. For example, ls will show you all the files that are present in that directory, and also you can start or you can commit, you can pull, you can push all the Git changes from your local to your remote repository or vice versa. So that's it from me today guys. I hope you got a clear explanation on how you can download and install Git in your Windows system. If you found this video informative, drop us a like down below, and also don't forget to share it with your friends and families, and also comment down below if you have any more doubts, or if you want some more videos on this explaining about Git and how to use Git. Just comment down below. I'll definitely make a dedicated video in the upcoming days. If you don't want to miss those updates, hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon so that you'll not miss any of my future videos. That's it from me today guys. I'll see you next time. Cheers.